The Boating Adventure Community Post Channel Update number 114. Well, a very good afternoon to you. It is Tuesday the 18th of March 2025 and I've come over to the Swamp Duck this afternoon because late on this morning I had a phone call from River Canal Rescue to say that they were able to deliver and fit the engine, which has been at L.R. Harrison's son for a little while, having the all this rubbish taken out of the engine and it sorting out. The problem with it was that the fact that it had got clogged up with a load of foreign objects, which had caused the thermostat to overheat and caused a little bit of damage in the engine. So much so that the thermostat and the thermostat gasket had to be replaced. It all had to be cleaned out, and it is now working. First thing I had to do once River Canal Rescue left was to turn the boat round, and that gave me opportunity to see the engine in action.
I feel it fade away. The closer I get, the more you fade away. And I'm fading out, lost in the night, caught in the pull between wrong and right. Slits out in the shadow here. I feel it fade away, and the closer I get, the more you fade away. I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. I feel it.
One of the other problems that was identified by L.R. Harris was the fact that here at Trinity Marina there must be a lot of electric current floating around in the water, because it was starting to do damage to the structure of the engine. So much so that they advised me that I needed to have a sacrificial anode attached to the engine, which is what they've done. They've used a magnesium anode, so that's been put onto the outboard motor. So this is the little sacrificial magnesium anode that I've had fitted here to the engine, so that should stop a bit of the pitting that's going on. The other thing that had to be fitted was a new impeller, because that had got slightly damaged with the rubbish that had entered the engine. So it's had a good clean up and a good sort out, and it's ready to go. Electrolysis or electrolytic corrosion on a boat causes metal components to corrode due to stray electrical currents, leading to pitting, discoloration, and potential disintegration of parts like propellers, shafts, and struts. Sacrificial anodes, often called zincs, are metal blocks attached to boats to protect underwater metal components from corrosion by corroding themselves instead. So let's hope that that does the trick and don't get any more pitting to the engine. And hopefully I'm going to take the boat out during the weekend and complete that video that I did recently, which was called I Failed, and try and turn it into a success so that I visit Anstey and do what I wanted to do, which was to have a look around the village and make a little video about what there is to see. So obviously that won't be done until the weekend coming up, so please bear with me on that one. There won't be a video going out on Saturday morning, but I hope to get that video done for you as soon after the weekend as possible, so that there will be a video for you to watch. I'd like to thank you all for your continued support. Thank you for all the likes that people are adding to the videos. It certainly is making a difference, and it's beginning to push the number of likes as opposed to the number of dislikes. It's pushing them up the YouTube algorithm, and that's brilliant for attracting other subscribers to the channel. So as I say, thank you very much for watching, and as always, do take care.